Today we're going to do something different. We're gonna clean this mine shaft. It's quite a lot of garbage and glass and metal and plastics. Well, you name it. It's all over the mine. So this mine is located where I have my company, and I store a lot of gravel and all kind of stuff that I use in my company. So this will be a winter project. So yeah, some 70-80 years of garbage. So I have plenty to do. So let's get started. So I got the water out of the mine, and let's start the fun thing to clean everything up. It's nails. Here we have a broken shell of some caliber. I don't know. I'm not that good at ammunition. Well, I got the loader in, not the whole loader, just the bucket. So, well, as you can see, it's pouring water from the ceiling. But anyway, this will help me to get all the stuff out of the shaft, and I will start picking things up now and get rid of them, so the loader is helpful. But unfortunately it didn't fit in the opening. That's too bad, because when you come in about, let's say, in 20-30 meters, it's like a big room.